Bowling Green, Ohio, Rubbish Hauler Permit Bond. What is the Bowling Green, Ohio Rubbish Hauler Permit Bond? It is a type of surety bond required for individuals or companies that transport waste within the city. This bond acts as a financial guarantee that the hauler will follow all local ordinances and regulations related to waste collection and disposal. It involves three parties: the hauler principal, the City of Bowling Green obligee, and the surety company that issues the bond. Why is Bowling Green, Ohio Rubbish Hauler Permit Bond required? The bond is required to protect the public and the city from improper waste handling or illegal dumping. It ensures that rubbish haulers comply with health, safety, and environmental standards set by local authorities. If a hauler violates regulations, the bond provides financial recourse to cover damages or cleanup costs. How does Bowling Green, Ohio Rubbish Hauler Permit Bond works? The hauler purchases the bond from a surety company before receiving a permit to operate. If the hauler fails to meet obligations, a claim can be filed against the bond by the city. The surety may pay valid claims, but the hauler is ultimately responsible for reimbursing the surety for any losses. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.